Alright y'all, so today's the day. The pack will be touching down out for delivery this morning, 9:07 a.m. Actually, the reality and the truth of it is this package had been sitting where it's been sitting since Friday the 9th or the morning of the 10th. Yeah, the morning of the 10th, but apparently I guess UPS don't run on the weekends or whatever I paid for shipping. They didn't validate them coming earlier, so today we're on the 12th and package should be here, so it's gonna be the longest. Y'all know, seeing UPS be bullshitting. I am not gonna lie to you. UPS definitely be bullshitting. So it's like I said, it's 12 o'clock already and still nothing. So it does say by 7 p.m. but honestly I'm thinking 5. I was off today. Signature is required. What is this? Alright, so what I decided to do to kill some time, I bought these stickers off of somewhere. And to cover up some of the rash from my accident, I talked to my paint guy, whatever. He said it's gonna pretty much gonna have to be replaced. So I'm gonna just sticker bomb it for the meantime with these little stickers and stuff that I got. So I got some like Black Lives Matter ones. I think I also got some veteran joints. You can see that. Focus. I don't think I want to focus. Anyway, I'm gonna sticker bomb this and then we'll go from there. Time lapse. Alright, so first we're gonna make sure that we clean off our surface with the alcohol prep pad. So that way it'll give it the best chance to stick in. Like I said, I mean, this is it's temporary, but you know, we can make it look cool for a short period of time. Honestly, like you can't really. I mean, you can tell once it's pointed out, but you know, it is what it is. It hasn't stopped me from riding a bike, so. And even if I wasn't gonna do this, it still wouldn't stop me. So. So that right there could be like a big one. The Black Lives Matter sticker there. Now these don't have like a gloss front, so that should be interesting to see how that works out. Well, sticker number 1. Let me see what else we got here. Like I said, it was a whole bag of stickers, man. Well, actually, it was like 3 of them. Oh, that'll be a good one. It's a Grand Theft Auto one. It says wasted.
You know who made it.
I just heard the UPS truck. Yeah. Just like that. UPS on deck. Good, are you?
Melting nicely. Duncan, right? Is it all right if I sign for you?
Yep, that's fine.
Have a good one.
Thank you, sir. Yo, the pack touchdown. I missed it on video, but the pack just touched down. It is now 13:01. It's 1 o'clock, so let's get busy. Watch the next video to see what's in the box.